Start 6 left, 30. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 6 left, 30 and 5 left over bump into 5 right. Half long tightens over bridge to 4 left of the crest, 70. 6 left, 6 right of the crest. And 5 right of the crest. And 5 left short, 30, 4 right. And left of the crest, 40. 6 right. And 6 left to 4 right of the crest. Opens long, into bump, into crest. To 5 right short, slowing, 30, turn, square left. 70, 6 left, 50. 4 right short, over crest, 50. Long crest, 40. 6 left, 70. 6 left of crest. And 5 right short, 40. 4 right sharp, 70. 4 left, 80. 4 right, half long tightens. 4 left short, 120. Small crest, 30. Right of the crest, 40. 3 right short, 40. 6 left. Tightens 4, long, 120. 3 right, opens, 130. 6 left of the crest, long. Into small jump, 40, jump, 30, slight left of the crest, and slight right, 80. 5 left, 100. Finish to 5 left to stop. Okay, that's a 1 minute, 54.4.